The same Hooke's law, when we apply it on wires, we have already discussed how the Hooke's law is applied on spring. अगर हम wire की बात करें, a wire stretches much less than a spring, and in order to measure its extension, a long length of wire is usually needed. The apparatus should be set up as shown in the diagram. अब diagram में इस तरह के apparatus होते हैं if we want to measure a wire. Spring का apparatus is different, wire का apparatus अलग होता है, उसके अंदर हम एक pulley और mass वगैरह भी use करते हैं. Again, a single mass 0.1 kg should be attached to the end of the wire, and then the initial length of the wire measured using a small pointer attached midway along the wire must be used. तो ये आपका clamp है. Here is the wire attached, और इस wire को हमने stretch किया है till here, और फिर हमने एक pulley के जरिए, this is also known as a pulley. इसको हम क्या कहते हैं? We call it a pulley. इस pulley के जरिए यहाँ पे हमने mass लटका दिए हैं. तो ये pulley basically rotate करेगी once I keep adding the masses and the force of weight starts to increase. आपकी extension भी increase होती जाएगी. साथ ही यहाँ पे एक ruler है, that ruler is going to measure the length कि कितनी extension हो चुकी है wire की. This is the pointer that marks the initial length, and then we will mark the final length, और उसको जो हम minus करेंगे we would get the value of extension. So again, masses are added one at a time to end of the wire, and the new length is measured and recorded. You keep on adding the masses over here and keep on recording the length on the ruler on a table. This is continued until the wire breaks. जब तक wire break नहीं होती, you have to keep on adding the masses until or unless the elastic limit or the limit of proportionality has actually been reached. Moreover, then the experiment can be repeated and the averages can also be taken.